It's just my camera is flashing and I'm using a remote shoot because I'm kind of far away from my camera and this is new to me. So anyway, hi everybody and welcome to my new room. So you guys, if you've been watching the channel for any amount of time, you will know that we have been in the middle of a conversion. We are converting our garage into a bonus room in our house, and it has been a labor of love. So everybody else is in there. I really wanted to get this video up here pretty quick because I've been getting a lot of questions and comments on last year's video. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go and use the new room. So that's what we're here doing. And we're gonna be putting together the Teen Boys Easter baskets. Okay, so welcome back. If you are new here, my name is April Wolf and I am the wolferanchgirl, and I'm so excited for you to be here. So this video, we are going to be doing awesome Easter baskets for teen boys. So yes, I have teen boys. I have a 25-year-old who I do still do an Easter basket for, but not to this extent. And I have a 15-year-old, a 14-year-old, and a 10-year-old. And boys are notoriously difficult to buy for, especially nowadays when most of the things that they want are like V-Bucks and whatnot, which are a lot easier to deal with if you're purchasing them right on like your Xbox or PlayStation. But I am a big proponent of Easter baskets. I love making the Easter baskets for them, and I don't want to fill them with a bunch of junk. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I have my 3 Easter baskets here that we reuse every year, and these were from 31 Gifts, and they're pretty big. You can see about the size of a basketball. And then I have them monogrammed, and I kind of did just their favorite colors. Luckily, these are still some of their favorite colors, but that way they could use them, you know, in apartments or dorms or whatever, or I can just keep them and keep using them as Easter baskets for when they're an adult. But they are rather deep. I can just about get my entire arm in there. So what I do to help with the bulkiness is I just put plastic bags in there. So we all have plastic bags from, I'm actually running low on plastic bags because I have been trying to do the reusable shopping bags, but I do still have some. So I'm using this just to make it so it's easier to have everything kind of viewable. So I've done that with all 3 of them. So here is our oldest ones. So his is black, or like a charcoal color, and red, and I've got them, I just kind of stuff them in. I mean, you guys can do whatever works best for you. And then I kind of puff them up towards the back because when we get everything in there, the front is going to kind of come down like this. So it's going to be like a cascade of things. So we are going to set these 2 aside. And we are going to put our youngest ones together. And so this is Christian's. And his design is just a circle with his initials, and then he has the stripes. So they all have something similar but different. And so you can see I have the same things in there. So this year, all of the kids have been asking for champion garb. They all wanted champion items. And I don't just regularly go out and just buy stuff that they want. So what I did was I saved them. I found a pretty good deal on Amazon, and if I can find them, I'll link them below. But each of them are getting a different champion Crewneck. And so I'm going to start out with that and put it towards the back here. And I don't know about you guys, but our weather here lately has been insane. And the more hoodies that you can have, it seems like the better. So here's the first one. It's pretty cute there. So I'm just gonna try and keep some sort of similar folding and then pop that in the back here like that. And just kind of let it hang over. If you can't get it to sit right, you can just let it hang over. And then here is the other stuff. So last year I got a lot of comments on this. We always get our kids Peeps. Now, these are not like super healthy by any means, but what we like to do is to roast them like marshmallows, and they are so good. So this year I found birthday cake, chocolate pudding, which I'd never seen before, and then I was really excited about this one. It's hot tamale Peeps. Like, I've never seen this before. I think that this is going to be a very interesting try, so we'll all enjoy trying that out, and I'm going to put that in Wayland's. So I think I'm going to go with the chocolate pudding for Christians. And then I also got a package. They had these at the Dollar Tree. They're 12 pieces of the Warheads ooze. And my kids like weird candy. Okay, so they should each get 4 of those. And then they will all get some of these eggs. And I may steal one of these because I do really like them. There's 12 of these. Well, if I could get them open. There we go. So they're the little mini Cadbury cream eggs. Like, they're so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, that was crazy of me, I forgot. Okay, once you get these filled up, take some tissue paper and put it in the bottom to cover up the bags. What am I thinking? It has been, I tell you what, it has been a long week. If you didn't know, I am a teacher. I'm a high school teacher, and oh boy, the kids before spring break. Oh my goodness. Pray for me. I love them, but I think everybody's ready for spring break. Okay, so all I do is just kind of poke this around the edges to cover up the bags, and it still gives plenty of volume there. And then I'll pop one in and kind of let it hang out. So you by all means could use the grass, the Easter grass if you wanted to. I have this and I didn't want to spend the extra money on grass because I'm literally just going to throw it away. With this, at least I can take it out and reuse it in gift bags or whatnot. And then of course the Walmart sacks we use in the car for in case someone gets car sick, or as trash bags when we're traveling, so on and so forth. Okay, so that looks a lot better right there. Real life, guys, real life. And then I just want him to be able to see that champion. So I also have these caramel eggs. Oops. Let one get away. And then each of the kids is getting, we always do swim trunks or swim outfits. And I don't know about you guys, but my boys are growing like crazy. So these are Christians this year, so little tribal type ones. So I'll just lay that in there and kind of have it hang out the side. and that also helps to kind of fill right there. And then they're each getting shirts to go with. So I will lay that right there. Here, okay. I have to be really careful with holiday type candies because our oldest, or our number 2, so the oldest one still at home has celiac, so we can't do any of like the Reese's shaped eggs or anything like that because they are processed in a different factory, so they have wheat. So we can't do any of that. So I have to be really careful. But so this year I got these mini Hershey's bunnies. So they're still getting bunnies in their basket, just not big ones. So I'm trying to look at this from backwards, so it's a little bit difficult, but I think I'm gonna go from biggest to smallest. So I've got the Peeps right here, and I'm gonna just tuck the little Hershey's bunnies to the side like this. And then you can kind of just scatter these little warhead things a little bit. And then we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the other thing that I might do, and they didn't have the kind that I wanted, is to get beef jerky. So I'll probably get beef jerky and just kind of stick that into the back here for them because they do like beef jerky. So this is what their Easter, or one of the Easter baskets will look like. And it looks super cute. So I'm just gonna go and do these other ones and then I'll come back. So I have all 3 of the baskets finished. So let's go ahead and look at these, although I did something different with Waylon's. So I'm gonna show that to you. So instead of putting his Peeps up towards the front, and I'll see if I can zoom in on that. I actually put the Peeps kind of behind his swim trunk and swim shirts, so it kind of holds those up, and then allowed me to tuck the little items into the folds of the shirt, and so it actually looks a lot cuter. So this is Waylon's basket. And then I am actually, with you here, just gonna fix walkers and show you how I did that. Take these little guys out. Okay, let me zoom back out here. So I'll show you how I did that. I was having a rough time with these guys because the Peeps bags are a little bit different. So I just took this out and folded it. And then these kind of have some folds in them now. So you can still see the Peeps. Let me move this one off to the side and this one off to the side. So I've got the decorative paper there. I've got the Peeps. I have the sweatshirt behind right here. And then I'm just gonna tuck these little guys into the folds of the shirts and the pants so that they're kind of fanned out here. And it kind of supports them. Trying to find all of them here. That one back there like that. And then it kind of creates a little cascade area for these guys to sit in too. Okay, so then here's Walker's, and he ended up with a blue sweatshirt and a blue shirt and the pineapple swim trunks. So that's Walker's. And then you guys saw me put together Christian's. And I may end up doing the same thing with his Peeps here, because I like that better. can guarantee you that these things will not take very long for my kids to just tear apart. So the decoration part and arranging everything is really more for me instead of for them, but that's fine. So there we go. Okay guys, so here are the Easter baskets. So we have the oldest, middle, and youngest right here, and I think that they're going to be super happy. The only thing that I'm going to do, like I said, they didn't have the kind that I wanted because our Walmart has been out of everything, but I'm going to go and get each of them a bag of beef jerky, and then that will round out their baskets, and that's what we do. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up and give it a like. Our community and our channel is growing, and I just love it. I'm super excited. So I hope you guys all have a great Easter, and I will see you guys later.